Hey, do you have an Olywiz 16 channel two-way radio like me and confused on how to get it in the scanning function? Well, here you go. You turn it to channel 15. All right, we turn it off. Press the push to talk, turn it on. Hear that beep after the 15? Now turn it to 16 and you are in scanning mode. Hope you enjoy this. It does scan kind of slow, but it does give you the option of cycling through your 16 channels that are pre-programmed, or if you choose to use the programming software that came with this Olywiz two-way radio, there you go. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial and happy radio usage. Thanks for watching. I am Derrick Perrin.